So we refresh back. What is our skills? Number one is SNR, price action. Number two, multi-time frame, closing, price. Number three is line, right? Okay.
Yes.
So as I mentioned before, SNR only 40%, even though SNR is number one, but the crucial part is this one. Very difficult, right? 50%. And this one only 10%. Okay. So this is our skills or method lah. Method. So we don't use Engulf or liquidity. So we only use SNR, multi-time frame, and trend line. Okay. So, alright. So SNR, as I mentioned before, like this, right? Okay, we must find for breakout. Okay, this one is support. Become resistance when price pull back here, right? And we sell. So very basic, but basic is what? Basic is king, right? Very important. Okay. So this one is resistance become support. So when price going down, so we focus buy. We find for the breakout or key level. So we buy here and buy, and price going up. So this one is key level. So we trade at key level because of what? Why we trade at key level? So why trade at key level? Aston, why?
Because you have to monitor for the price action at this level.
Yes. And the other one is price move from key level to another key level actually.
Yes.
So that's why we trade at key level. So if price doesn't, okay, let's say, for example, for one situation like that. Okay. This one breakout day one. So if price doesn't touch, we want entry. Nope, right? So we sell here, we entry here. And don't entry early. So we wait. That's why Forex is waiting game. Okay. Wait. Okay. So next we go to price action. So price action we have two only. Price action. Reject or breakout. But this one, what are the confluence? We must monitor what? After price action. Time frame,
Closing?
right? Yes,
Time frame.
closing. Yes, closing. We must monitor closing or multi time frame. So actually this one is very difficult. Very hard lah. This one. Multi time frame. Because we must switching and monitor. So in our properties we have what? Properties. First we have what? Aston. We have take profit.
Okay.
Or stopper.
Okay.
Next we have
Blocks.
blocks. Or retracement. And the other one we have what? We have setup, right? So okay. Multi time frame. We have 9, right? Monthly, weekly, day 1, H4, H1, 13, sorry. Monthly, weekly, day 1, 4 hour, 1 hour, M13, 5 and 1. Okay. Okay. So we have monthly reaction. For example, like this one. Okay, this one. This one is key level, right? So this one level monthly. So monthly must stop to monthly, right? So one. So this one is point A, and this one point B. Okay. So monthly to monthly. Let's say monthly to monthly. Monthly direction, block what?
Monthly or
Weekly.
daily? Monthly or
Monthly.
weekly, please.
Yes. And weekly direction, block must weekly or daily.
Daily.
And daily direction, block daily on H4. And so on lah. Sorry. Block. Okay. And this one is CMP, right? Okay. So for setup we use let's say monthly direction. We use
Okay.
monthly. And the direction we use H1 and 3. And H1 we have 15. And weekly direction we go to
H4.
H4 setup. Okay, like that. So this one we use for monthly time frame, but not easy, very difficult. Next we go to storyline. What is storyline, Daniel?
It's a, should I say it's a range. The price must complete hierarchy of price from lower to the highest.
Yes. So basically, we must understand the storyline because we want to identify whether the price in direction or retrace. So very important. So we must recognize from where to where the price move. Okay, next. We go to what part do you want? Okay, any question?
For now, no. Till maybe we reach chat.
Okay, this one, another one. Yeah, this one. Ezra, can you explain this one? Hello? Oh, Carlo. Okay, Carlo. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Explain this one.
Explain starting from where? From the key level at H1
From this one, M13.
or from the M30
Uh,
or from the blue line?
from 13 go to
Or from
H1.
M30?
Yes.
Oh, going up.
Yes.
Or
Mm.
from the H1 key level.
Mm-hmm.
Or to get to the retrace, you have to go down to the setup, which is the M5.
Mm-hmm.
And then when we break that, we take profit the H4 on a, is that right?
After breakout H1, we go to H4, right?
Yep.
So H4 we want entry.
Right,
We
entry at
go
H1.
No.
The H1 key level, is it? Or the benchmark?
No, actually this one. From this one. Okay. From this one. Okay, let's
Or
say
from there. All the entries to
from M30 breakout to H1
Yep.
breakout, isn't it? So we want entry
M5.
H1 key level. So we go
Yeah,
to
H1. So the
M50 setup.
this.
Right. Okay.
Oh,
Continue.
M15 setup.
Mm-hmm.
Then what's
And reject, right?
Oh yeah, we reject. Oh, because
Reject.
it's an M30.
Right.
So the setup would be the M5.
Mm-hmm.
So we go in at the M5. Aiming for the breakout of the H1.
Yes.
We take profit at the H4.
Yes.
And because it's a H1 key level, to
Take
time
profit.
frames below.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Take
yeah.
profit.
Yeah, take profit at the H4. And because the H1 key level, the setup is M15.
Yes. So reject, right?
Yeah, so reject
Okay.
the M15, then we go long.
Go to.
Daily.
Yes.
And the setup for that, we go to the H4 setup, which is the M30.
Yeah.
And if we reject the H4, we go long
Yeah.
from that M30, which is a setup, targeting the weekly.
Yes. Go on.
And and because it's a daily key level, the setup is H1. So we go long at we go long on H1 from the daily key level, targeting the monthly. And then you take the weekly setup, which is at the H4,
Yes.
targeting the monthly.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Carlo. So we test. Who won? Ezra. Hello. Test. Or Eston. Hello.
Yeah, I want to try.
All right.
From a M30 key level, we have a breakout and a price reject at a H1 level. On the H1 level, we look for setups on N15, and the stopper for the M15 setup is M30. So we come back to the M30 key level. On the M30 key level, we look for setup on M5. Now, stopper for the M30 level is H1. So when we get to the H1 level, we see that that level has been broken. So price continues up to the H4 level. On the H4 level, we look for setup on the M30. So stopper for the M30 setup is H1. So price comes back to the H1 key level. On the H1 key level, we look for a setup on the M15.
No, sorry. We use this one.
What?
So press start here.
Yes. So
Okay, continue.
you want me to
Sorry.
start again?
Start again. Sorry.
So I start again, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, from the M13 level, price goes and reject on the H1 key level. On the H1 key level, we look for a setup on M15. As from the as is the M15 key level, our stopper is the M30. So price comes back to the M30. On the M30 key level, we look for a setup on M5. So stopper for the M30 key level is H1, but that level gets broken and price goes to the H4 key level.
Yes.
On the H4 key level, we look for setup for on the M30. Stopper for the M30 is H1. So price comes back to a H1 key level. And there we look for a setup on the M15. So price goes up and breaks the H4 level and goes to a daily level. On the daily level, we look for a setup on H1 and the stopper is H4. So price comes back to a H4 level where we have to look for a setup. That is a H4 key level, we look for a setup on M30. And then the stopper for the M30 key level, the stopper for the H4 key level has to be daily. So on that level, price goes, from the daily level, price goes up to the weekly level. On the weekly level, we look for a setup on H4, and the stopper for that setup is daily. So when price comes back on a daily level, we look for a setup on H1 and on setup on H1. So when price leaves the H4 level and goes to a from the weekly level, price goes up to the monthly level. On the monthly level, we look for the setup on the daily, and stopper for that is the weekly. When price comes back to the weekly level, we look for a setup on H4, and the price goes up to the monthly level. I think I'm done.
All right. Okay, thank you, Aston. So,
I should try.
you want to try?
Let me try. Okay. So benchmark is the same thing as roadblock, right?
Benchmark is what we call not a Roblox, but what I say. I think benchmark. This one benchmark. After breakout, price come back to benchmark and respect.
Okay.
Understand? Okay, try.
Okay. Price broke M30 to H1 key level, and from H1 the benchmark will be M30, and
No. Okay, this one. Okay.
yeah.
Basically,
yeah.
Okay, sorry. Basically, price move from one breakout to another breakout, isn't it?
Yeah.
H1 go to another breakout is H4, right? And H4 go to D1. So all right. So setup for Mali, we go to
Then
yes. So daily TP take profit weekly, right? So setup for weekly we go to
H4.
H4. H4 TP D1, right? So setup for the one is H1 and so on. So the price keep repeating. H4, 15, H1, and 15, and so on. Okay. Okay, start back. For M13. For
I
M13
should go
backup.
again. Okay.
Yes.
So price breaks from M30 to H1, and H1 setup will be M15, and price will can I say price will
price sideways, right? Sideways. For for example, in the real situation, right? So
okay.
to complete the monthly candle, so that's what lower time frame do, right? To
Yeah.
complete this one monthly. That's why this drawing is very important. Okay. Start from M13.
Okay. Price moves from M30 to breakout to H1 key level, and H1 setup is M15, and M15 take profit will be M30, and we'll check for our setup in M5, and price will now move to H4 key level, and the setup will be in M30, and M30 TP will be H1, and we check for our setup in M15 for H1, and price will now move to daily key level, and we'll check for our setup in H1 for daily key level, and price will now move to H4, and we'll check M30 for our setup in H4, and price will now move to weekly key level, and we check for setup in H4 for weekly key level, and price will now move from H4 to daily, and we will now check H1 for our setup for daily key level, and price will now move to weekly. Sorry, okay, we pass weekly. Price will now move to monthly, and we check daily for our monthly setup, and price will now move from the daily to weekly. I will now check H4 for the setup for weekly, and it will now, where is it going to move to again? From monthly so probably a roadblock, let's say weekly again or something, or monthly to monthly, yeah, to another monthly key level. Yeah.
Yes. All right. So well done, guys. So that's how price move. But how do you apply? Very important. So this week, last week, I sold here because of what? What our skill?
Price action.
Price action plus
Closing.
closing candle, right? So this one is closing, right? Reject. This one is price action. So this one monthly to monthly. So actually for gold now, I'm waiting for closing. Closing, whether reject or backup. So what happened if price backup? This one. If price backup, closing backup. So we wait for buy, right? This one. So let's say, okay, let's say this one. Monthly closing. Okay, ini for this one for example. Okay, let's say monthly closing breakout. So we wait for setup. Okay, this one monthly. We wait setup for
Daily.
daily. This one. But my target is sideways. No. My target is will reject my target. But monitor the price action. Monitor the price action. Okay. Okay, this one is point A, right? Point A to point B. That's why my target before this one, like that. My target. Okay, this at this level, I'm still waiting. Still waiting at this level. Closing, monthly closing. This one. So monthly to monthly. See. Plus what? This one. Day one, right? So monthly. Monthly direction. Right. This one. Monthly closing, right? So setup we go. Day one. So day one we also have what this one? We have
Breakout.
breakout. So if you guys paranoid to the market, what you guys must do?
Please.
Daily we go to H1, right?
H1.
So H1 at this level we also have breakout. This one. So this one is combination. Sorry. Combination between what? Last week. Combination between monthly plus plus H1. So after we entry sell here, what we must monitor?
Red block.
Block. So what time frame first? We must monitor.
H4.
Yes, of course H4. So H4 another breakup or TP is H4, right? So the one roadblock is H4. Or day one two H4. So we go to H4. Okay. H4 also we have breakout, right? This one. But price go deep. Okay. We have miss, deep, and accurate. Okay. So for this one is deep, right? Deep retrace at this one. Deep actually price go to what? Deep equal to trend line actually. Okay, at this one, at this level, also deep, right? Because if price go accurate, price will touch and go, right? But go deep because of trend line. This one. This one I think. Go for trend line. Okay, this one. And another one, I think. Okay, let me check first. No, doesn't have another line. I think this one only. Okay, for this one, we sell here and entry here, right? For buy. One other thing, this one is what? Price action. Reject, right?
Yes, reject.
Yeah.
Okay. And also we have trend line here. Price go deep to catch the trend line.
online.
This one, I think. Okay, so after we sell, we stand by here. Stand by the what we must stand by. What to monitor? What thing? Variation, right? So
Yeah.
after reject and touch the trend line plus key level, we buy and price going up. Okay, at this one, today, this one. All right. So, I think M13, I re-entry. Because this one M13, right? This one H4. So, re-entry must M13. So, I think M13. I buy today. M13 and M15, I think. But very high risk to re-entry because we will trap in small range. This one, I think. And also we have breakout H1. And this one also breakout H1. So re-entry. This one. No. I think. Okay, let me check first. I think F15. F15 re-entry. And H1. H1. I forgot. Okay, this one. Y1. Y1, Y2, Y3. Okay. So let's say we go another. Okay. So you guys want what pair? Or any question?
So your re-entries for today, you stood in one time frame to monitor breakout. That was H1.
Sorry.
Like for your trades today, the short-term buys you took, you stood in only H1 to monitor the breakout for re-entry.
Yes, for re-enter.
Okay.
So another question. Next we win. So I will give to Aston to present.
Okay, all right.
So what pair do you want to present?
Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. What card?
So I give you to. Okay, share the screen.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Still loading. Okay, record first. Do you record?
Please record.
All right. Okay.
Where do I record? I don't even know. How to record, please?
Hello?
I think it should be below, beside share screen,
yeah.
right beside. Have you seen it?
I don't see it. Can anybody else record or don't see the recording option?
Sorry?
I don't see the recording option.
Have you seen
It's
share
still
screen?
recording, I think. Yeah. I think it's still recording. So
Yes, already record.
Yeah, I think it's still recording because I can
Okay.
see it on mine too.
All right.
okay.
Okay, carry on.
So we can start.
Proceed.
Okay. So on ODCAD, on the monthly chart, price has been going down, and you can see that it made it a breakout on this level and started going up. So I will try to find a direction from this pair. We got a breakout buy on that level and a small breakout sell on this level. And as we can notice, price has been pushing down from that breakout sell. So our direction is from this point A and point B on this level.
Okay.
So
Wait. Change to candlestick.
okay.
Okay, we also have breakout at the middle. See?
Well, here.
Yes. That's why what? That's why price reject at that level. Okay, carry on.
Here you mean?
Okay, proceed.
Can you?
Okay, go on. Go on first.
Okay.
I comment later.
Okay. All right. So when we have this breakout sell, price has been pushing down up to the breakout buy level. So we got our point A here and our point B. But we can notice that it's just a retracement because price broke those levels. So it may be just a retracement for going up. So we come now to the weekly level and see if we can focus now from the reaction it has when it came back to the level to the current market price. So here you can notice that the price bounced on some key level on the weekly. So I will try to mark them and see what happened on those levels. So now I will focus in this area. It's currently at a weekly price reject at a weekly key level. So we'll come to the H4 to see if you can find possibly a setup. So come to the H4 and I'm sorry guys. Yeah. In this area, we noticed that price has been creating some trend lines like this on the H4. So I will try to find the confluence for this trend line on the weekly, and we can notice that we got this
All right. Trend line breakup, right? Yes.
Yes, trend line breakup. So so when you come back to the H4, let's go into point 1, point 2, and point 3. So price started going up. But it's a 4-hour trade. We are looking for roadblocks on H4 and on H1. So I will look for roadblocks for possible reactions. So I can mark this breakout as a roadblock. There is also this previous level and also our benchmark level. So it's another H4 level. When price went to those levels, you can notice that it started making some sideways reactions that created another trend line. So we got point 1, point 2, point 3, and we can possibly sell from that level. Are you getting me, please?
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
No?
carry on.
Okay. So from that H1 level, we can, from that trade, we can try to find another roadblock for possible reaction from that price. So we can notice that price came back to another H4 roadblock and started rejecting. So we look for what happened on that level. It's a H4 key level, so we are looking for a setup on M30. But before looking for the setup, I will try to find a trend line that can support the H4 move and now go to the M30 level. This one. And we also got M30 trend line. So that's the reason for this buy. So for this buy for the M30 level, we are looking for roadblocks on H1 because it's just a retracement, and we'll look for please for the H4 at its H4 key level, we are looking for roadblocks on the H4 or H1. So I will switch to the H1 level and try to find some levels that can reject price. I got this level and this other level. So we can see that
Many
price,
breakout, right?
yes,
Because
and
of currency. Actually, gold. That's why I love gold because there's no so many noise.
noise. Oh, okay.
So
I see.
at currency, very many noise.
Noise. All right, I see. So,
Carry on.
okay. So on the H1 level, I will try to find a setup for the H1. We got this trend line here and we look for the setup for entry on the M15. And you can see that this trend line, or maybe this one, yeah, sorry. Yeah, another M15 trend line for our sell trade to continue in the same direction. As we are now in the same direction, we will switch to time frame to see if we can find another continuation trade. We are at this level when price rejected, so price is going down and we got so many breakouts again. I will mark them like this. Breakout sell, yeah, breakout sell. Okay. Breakout sell again until the price came back to the weekly and the monthly level. On the monthly level, we are looking for trades. I mean, this level, it came back to the monthly level. So I'm looking for setups on the daily. So it is when it came back to the daily level, I'm looking for trend line as confluence, and try to find here we got another daily trend line here, and got point 1, 2, and 3. So we can look for entry on the daily from that level. So as we can see, price rejected and price started going up. So we are looking for, it's a daily trade, so we are looking for roadblocks on the daily or on H4 and weekly at and monthly as a stopper to complete the monthly to monthly move. So let's look for the roadblock first. So I'll go to H4 and we can see that in line chart we got this level, and another breakout cell. So
Oh, FTMO challenge.
so we got this breakout cell here and another H4 level. So when price went from the daily, we can notice that it broke all those levels until it reached this one. So daily level. So when it touched this level, we can notice that there was a reaction, and the reaction we had to look for a setup on H1. So this one. From the daily level, sorry, I will delete all this level to stop messing up with things. I'm sorry, guys. When price went to the daily level again, we can notice that it broke it and started going up again, but in sideways. So we can look for maybe a trend line or another factor of confluence to look for a trade. But we have to see if it matches with a key level first. So we have another H1 key level here from this breakout cell. When price touched that level, you can notice that it created another diverging trend line for a possible sell. So if you took that sell, we would have had a stopper as H4 or a roadblock on H1 or M30 as price came down to the H4 level. On the H4 level, we look for setup on M30. So switching to M30, and we got H4 key levels, and we can see that there was a trend line. Maybe this one. So yeah, this one, where we could have took another buy to follow the bullish direction. So price has been going up and made sideways movement until it started flying. But we are now seeing that it's currently approaching is another H4 breakout sell, that could be another roadblock for our buy. So I think that's all we can expect. Another move here. If it reacts here, can go back down because there are some breakouts here, but we didn't have some pullback. So we
So
just wait
for your
and see.
target for this pair for test.
Target for the sell, for the test, I will monitor price at this level and here and see if it breaks. I will wait for it here. But if there is a breakout on this level, I will just wait for it to come back to this one, and the final target will be this breakout sell to make accurate.
What about H4 breakout?
For the H1 breakout, oh, this one.
No. Right. After price reject. At
If
CMP.
price okay,
Ah.
if price reject, I
Mhm.
will place my target here.
Why not?
Oh,
Okay. Right. This one. Because also
this
breakout,
one.
right? So must monitor.
Monitor. Okay.
All right. So that's all.
Yeah, that is all.
Another pair.
Okay, please choose another pair. I will try to, because I took a lot of time to prepare the theory part, but as you done the theory part, I was preparing just for one pair. So
All
just
right.
let me know if you have another pair. I will do it.
So you guys want Aston to explain what pair?
DJ?
Or Daniel want to present?
No. DJ.
Okay, all right. So mostly there was a breakout sell here, and
Yes. But monthly not closing yet.
okay, so I'll go to weekly.
But I saw something on DJ. See daily backup.
Daily breakout.
Fine for daily backup.
Okay,
Sell.
got this one.
Zoom out.
No, okay. So this one,
DJ. I saw daily backup.
here, this one, breakout sell.
Backup sell at 158.
158. Yes.
Eh,
Actually,
158. Yes.
yes. Yes. So we
Yes.
have a breakout sell here,
Yes.
and
That's why price drop, right? So why price going up back? Okay, present.
I go
So
on.
so daily to daily, right?
Yeah, daily to daily.
Yes. Okay.
So we
Carry
look
on.
for, okay, daily to daily. So we look for the point B. We got the breakout by yes. So we got point A here and point B. So price, we can look for a setup on the daily. but before going to the on the H1 is, but before going to the H1, you can look for another factor of confluence. I see this trend line. And H1, we got this trend line here. So I'll try to find if there is another key level to support that move. I think I don't got enough data on the H1 to, it's not going again. So for a daily to daily move, you look for a setup on H1, and our roadblocks are H1 and M30. The stopper for a move is H4. So when price went to this level, it created a trend line that is in confluence with that key level. So we got point A, a point 1, 2, and 3. And price started dropping and created, I think, a breakout sell here.
No, not valid. Trend line.
Trend line is not valid.
Because number 3. Point number 3. We have,
Yes.
okay, open line chart.
Oh, okay. Can you please annotate on my screen so that
Okay,
I can
okay.
see what to?
Okay, okay. All right, all right. That's right, that's right. Okay, valid. Sorry.
Okay, this one is valid.
Yes.
Okay. So, all right. So when price started dropping, we can notice that it created another breakout sell on lower time frame right there. But I think we can't use that pullback for another entry. I don't know if somebody else sees something.
H1 we go to
This.
F15, right?
Yeah, F50.
Okay, go F15.
Mm.
Very nice. Right. So many nice.
So
Zoom out. Zoom out.
Please.
Zoom out.
Okay.
So zoom in.
Okay. Like this.
So, all right. So F15 breakout, I think. 15.
M15 breakout. We got this one. Breakout cell. And another breakout cell. Is this one valid, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Open candlestick. Is it touch?
No, it didn't touch. So no re-entry on that level.
M13.
I see something.
Yes.
Where?
Can you move to line chart again?
Oh, there's another.
Yeah. This one.
Okay, breakout cell. All right.
Oh, right. Nice. Thank you. Thank you, Jason.
M1.
You're welcome.
Enggak trade. Goal.
Aku masuk sell barusan.
Tadi.
Iya. Tapi masuk buy juga.
Daily.
Yeah, sell daily and then buy M30. Same with you lah, but upper level.
Alright.
I think we got another breakout.
Proceed, Aston.
Okay, so we got another breakout cell here, and we can notice a very small trend line. I don't know if it's valid or I have to zoom out to see better.
So many noise M1, but so I doesn't see which one.
So I think it's this one is valid.
So just ignore
Please.
M1 because
Okay.
very many noise.
So as price broke this level again, it made another breakout sell and another breakout sell here again. And you can see this previous support. And there was a breakout buy on this level. So M15, look for confluence. Let me see. So we got the M15 buy setup here, and our roadblock, our stopper for the M15 trade is H1 again. So I'm sorry, can you guys see anything else? Hello?
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 Can you guys see anything else here?
Okay, so you finish?
Okay, so yeah, I think I'm done.
Alright, so any question for Aston? You guys? Or Jason want to present?
What pair?
Huh?
What pair?
What pair? What pair?
Wait.
Gold.
You already present gold lah.
Okay, we go to
Okay. Wait.
Jason. Okay, Aston make Jason host. Hello?
Hello. Oh, okay.
Okay, it's done.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Gold digger.
I think silver lah.
Silver.
Yeah. But I don't know my mapping good or no.
It's okay. Just present.
First, I will look for monthly. Okay, this is monthly breakout. Arfam, can I
Yes.
consider this
Yes. Yes.
as a breakout?
Yes.
Okay, so price in this red candle already reject the monthly breakout. So the target will be monthly breakout.
Monthly breakout or closing right?
Huh?
Monthly breakout or we wait for closing candle.
For me, I will
Okay, carry on.
I will partial close if already touch the monthly breakout,
All right.
and then wait for closing candle. Okay. So in this red candle, price already reject the monthly breakout. So our target is going up. Yeah, like this. Then I will go to weekly. In weekly, I will go to line chart and find the breakout. This one, the nearest breakout from
Yes.
the CMS. CMP.
CMP.
I will using green line for weekly breakout. And then last week, silver close below the weekly breakout. This one. So the next target will be weekly breakout.
Okay, reject back at that key level because of
Because of weekly. Oh, because of H4 setup. Okay. This is for the H4 setup.
H4 to H4, right?
Yeah. Okay. Cuma H4 daily weekly. Wait here. I forgot which trend line for the rejection.
H4. Double H4?
This one didn't touch.
Didn't touch.
Yeah. I think I use daily.
Okay.
Yesterday I used daily
Right.
because I cannot find in H4. Why I using daily because of I know that the direction will be monthly to monthly.
Yes.
So I will consider the monthly breakout first. So I'm using daily trend line for the H4 breakout. For the monthly breakout. And in H1, I'm using this breakout. In H1, I'm using this breakout. I think I will explain first why price going up.
Yes.
Okay. Wait. Okay, first we know that monthly reject, so monthly to monthly. I will go to daily, and then I'm using this setup. First, I'm using this setup.
Yes.
Why I'm using this setup? Because of the daily breakout. This is my first daily breakout. This one.
But it didn't touch.
Yeah. Price reject daily breakout, and then I will go to H4 for the roadblock. And then in H4, price miss pullback because of
So many limits, right?
yeah. Okay. First, price reject daily with this candle, and then price miss pullback because of the breakout trend line. This one. H4, then price going up. In this pullback, I'm also using the previous daily trend line. To re-entry.
Oh, signal.
Oh, back test line.
Oh, that forward test.
Yeah. Then price going up, and I adjust the daily trend line to here, because I know that price didn't respect the H1 break, the daily breakout. Then I will move the daily breakout to another level in here. Okay. And I also keep my daily trend line in here. Because I know that price going from monthly to monthly, and monthly setup is daily. So like this, in this area, why price going up to this area? Because price fine for the H1 breakout. You I will mark in here. I'm using blue in here. So I just mark all the H1 breakout and see which one price respect. Then price touch the latest H1. So daily already reject the H1 the daily breakout. So price will go daily to H4 or daily to daily. This one price reject, and then I will mark daily. Mark daily, daily using that.
Also H4, right?
Yeah. This is daily, then H4.
So if you guys want to ask, just ask Jason.
I hope you all understand with my English.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
Yeah. Like this. But Arfam, I have one question.
All right.
Okay. In monthly, price going from monthly to monthly.
Yes, monthly.
Yeah. This breakout.
Not
But-
breakout yet.
Yeah.
Wait for
because-
closing.
Yeah, wait for closing candle. But in monthly key level,
Set up window too.
we go set up to daily.
So daily find breakout.
Yeah, this is the breakout.
Yeah.
Daily breakout.
To another left.
Okay. This one.
Oh yes, this one.
Oh, same level.
Yes.
But price reject the daily level, right? And in weekly, price also reject the key level.
Yes.
So which time frame we will we use for setup, weekly or daily?
Daily H1. Monthly daily H1.
Oh, monthly, daily H1. Okay.
Try to go H1.
Okay. So because of price going up, because of monthly.
Because monthly to monthly.
Oh, okay. So if price stop
Okay,
in weekly,
open monthly. Open monthly. Monthly back. Monthly.
Okay.
Okay, monthly to monthly, right?
Yeah.
So monthly not closing yet.
Yes.
So wait for daily.
Oh.
Daily also have breakout, right?
Yes.
So wait for H1. H1. Zoom out. Ada divergent.
Ada. Aku tunggu di sini.
Okay.
Alright. This one divergent.
Alright. Okay, possible.
And ini pun daily tak ada.
Divergent daily.
Already touch this one.
Lintas. Tapi boleh guna lagi.
Oh, okay. So
How do you know the origin?
how to know divergent?
The origin, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, okay. I mean that divergence. Okay.
China divergent.
Okay, I understand.
All right.
Yeah, like this. Waiting for daily to daily.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Sidnan.
Using alert. Then yeah, M15 breakout.
Yes. Plus H1, right?
Yes.
Okay. Monthly, daily, H1, F15.
Yes. This is daily setup. Daily breakout, the red line. Then red line will be daily key level, and then H1 setup. M15
So,
breakout.
for nearest TP,
Nearest TP
H4.
H4 because H1 to H4. Yeah, maybe in here.
What amount of peak?
Yeah. Price come from H4.
So, M13.
M30 breakout. Like this.
Right.
Yeah, that's my view for silver.
Same like crude.
Yeah.
So, another pair?
I have a question.
Okay, ask, listen.
Okay, so there was a point where you said monthly didn't close, so you went to Delhi and then went to H1. Like, how do you move that way? Are you waiting for breakouts in 3 time frames?
Price action.
Like, price
Price action
action?
at setup. Time frame setup.
Yeah.
Okay, but okay. Okay.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. Like this.
So, clear. Clear about the question.
So if monthly doesn't close, we can use daily.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, if daily doesn't close, we use H1,
H1.
right? Yes.
Nice. Oh.
Before candle close, I will consider the lower time frame first.
Wow, nice.
Maybe someone want to make analysis.
Ezra. Or Daniel.
Nah, not today. Next time.
Yeah, try lah.
Ezra can open the mic.
But please, Master, I think we need maybe some more explanation or another class on how to properly use time frames, because sometimes personally I get confused. In a daily to daily move, I don't know sometimes if I better use H4 or H1. Sometimes I don't know. So
Oh, so first you must read formally first. Like
Okay.
Jesus explained, monthly first, and if monthly doesn't closing, you use setup for day one. So if you plan not to entry daily, so you use H1 to entry.
Okay.
Fine for breakout. So after day one, after monthly day one H1 entry, so use another line, horizontal line to exit or to mark the roadblock. So the roadblock will be the exit. That's all.
Okay. What you mean is, in case monthly doesn't close, we go to daily, and if daily doesn't close, we go to H1, and that will be our direction now, and we can go to M15, and we will trade from M15 to M15 or M15 to H1, and we close.
Sorry.
M15 to M15 or M15 to M30, and we close as target.
Oh, M15 to M15 or M5. M15 to M15 or block M15 or M5.
Okay, I meant like stopper, because we are using H1 now as our direction, because daily and monthly didn't close. So we use H1 as direction, and our setup will be in M15, and we will trade from M15 to M15 or M15 to H1 and close. That's what you meant, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So, but if you entry H1, right? So, first time frame that you must monitor is what?
H4?
No, after H1 entry, M13 first.
Okay.
So, monitor M13 first. So, use the horizontal line to mark the breakout. So, after break M13, what time frame?
M5.
H1 to H1 roadblock M13 plus H1, so mark H1. That's all. After that, in day one we have H1, right? So monitor H4. That's it. Clear?
Okay. Can you write it down while you're explaining it? Because I feel just speaking it doesn't make us really understand. Like, write it down as you're explaining here.
Okay, let's. Okay, I share the screen. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, good. Okay, let's see. This one reject because of what? Day.
Then
So 1 and 3. But actually after touch this one, we can entry. But sometimes we better not, right? Because of high time frame. So day one breakout, we will set up for H1, right?
H1.
Okay. So H1 we doesn't have breakout, right? So that's why we use daily. But This one doesn't pass. Or sideways. Sideways. Because of? No? No what?
Breakout.
Momentum.
Yes, momentum.
Okay.
That's why we doesn't trade gold at this time. At this time. So we trade gold. Actually, this one. This one CMP plus 3. This one CMP plus 3. So this one I think sideways. Sideways. So we enter M13. Sorry, we enter daily. Actually, we have 29, I think. At this level. Sorry. This one. By 1. 2.3. But must break out this level. So daily closing must below this and below this. Clear? So we wait for closing H1. Closing daily at this level. We have divergence by 1.2 and 3. So wait for closing. This one for TP. TP and H4. Also we have here. But okay. This one I think M5. M5. So we go F5. Jason, kamu ada nampak apa-apa tak sini? Jason? Hello?
Hello, hello.
Yang ini sebab apa ya? Oh, okay. Aku nampak ni, this one. Daily. Reject daily. Resistant. This one. Reject.
Become support.
Yes, reject this one. That's why reject at this level. This one. Doesn't touch. I think daily. Daily reject. Yes, daily reject.
We can mark support and resistance as key levels too.
Yes, of course.
Oh, I thought it was only SBR and RBS, like breakout levels only.
SBR?
Like I thought the only key levels were breakout levels only.
So actually we use SBR like this.
Oh, ini H1.
H1.
Lekuk kecil itu.
Mana?
Di kiri yang candle panjang.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. H1 daily, right? So this one daily H1 plus daily, but sideways, right? This one.
Yeah.
Sideways. Daily to daily. This one. H1. This one we doesn't have. Okay, this one. Actually monthly. Storyline monthly. That's why reject. But I'm still waiting at this one. at this level. 1813.84. I'm waiting here. Waiting for price action.
Okay.
So, but I'll already sell. Okay, I send to you all. Do you sell, Jason?
No, I got cut loss.
Carlos.
Yeah,
Okay,
I didn't see the monthly level. I'm using stop loss
Oh,
1830, 1813.
this one. So I'm still waiting for closing candle.
So the 1804 is the decision point, right?
1804 or 5.
Yeah,
Yes,
One-
this is
1805.
decision point.
Okay,
This one, decision point.
okay.
For now, I think sideways, but reject. So the TP, I think this one. TP for sell lah. This one. Okay. So this one first. This one first. Okay, sorry. This one first, second, and the other level we go daily because of daily to daily. This one. So first TP, second TP, third TP. So another one, I think here. Daily. Okay, that's it. I'm waiting. So what we waiting for?
Closing.
Closing and what our skill?
Price action.
Yeah. That's all. Nothing fancy.
Okay, so you said direction goes from 1BO to 1BO, right? So now since breakout levels, we know them as support become resistance and resistance become support. You get like breakout. So why would you mark support level as a target and a resistance, a normal support and a normal resistance? I don't mean breakout level.
Okay.
That's why I asked that question that time. That's why I asked that question. I'm like, because I thought only key levels are only the levels that have been broken out.
Hold on.
Signal.
Gila lagi.
Don't do padu gile.
Crazy one.
Yeah.
Okay. What the question?
Yeah, so that was the question.
Okay.
Since you said direction is BO to BO, why would you mark the normal support and the normal resistance as a key level?
That's the question. Why we use RBS or SBR, right? Instead of what? AV. Right.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. But actually, sorry. Okay, this one. This one we have what?
V.
Support. V.
Resistance.
Okay.
Resistance. Breakout. Become support. So this one is weekly key level, right? Sorry,
Yes.
Yes.
key level. So we use RBS, right? But after we use 2 lower TF, sorry, 2 lower TF, we found. So setup we go to H4, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So in RBS, SBR, we have this actually. That's why we use this one first. RBS and SBR. Actually, in RBS SBR, we have this one. After we shift to lower TF. Understand?
Oh, nice. I understand.
Okay, that's one. Okay, another example. Okay, at this one, at this level. Okay, people think this is breakout, right? So the buyers want to hold, but if you don't use SBR, you cannot sell here. This one. This one, price drop. This one we have what? So this one we doesn't have. This one, right? We doesn't have like that. That's why price drop. Support become resistant. Actually breakout. That's why we use breakout to another breakout.
Okay.
Or key level to another key level. That's it. Nothing fancy.
Okay.
And not sorry. And we doesn't use term of fresh or not fresh. We use only price action, whether reject or breakout. So nothing fancy.
Okay.
That's all. This one, I think sideways. Sideways. Okay. Okay, another question.
There's a question I asked you on text about the target, and you're like you're gonna explain here. I was
Target.
asking if roadblocks and direction like retracement moving price and direction moving price, if it's like a must and a constant that they will hit the stopper before changing direction.
Oh. Okay. So basically, action must arrive to the next action. But we doesn't know. Does not know when. Because of what?
Storyline.
lower TF storyline first. Must complete this one first. That's why price move. Clear?
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear. How about retracement? While in retracement,
Retracement?
yeah, it must hit stopper before going back, or can roadblock with reverse price to change direction without, like, imagine if like Delhi, we know that Delhi setup is H1, and we know that H1 stopper is H4.
H4.
Yeah. So can price go to H1 to H1 and reverse without going to H1 to H4 level before reversing?
Can.
Like,
That's why we use H1 to H1. Roadblock H1 M15.
okay. So it can reverse from H1 to H1 and go to the normal direction without going to H1 to H4 first. Okay.
Yes, that's why we must read from monthly first.
Okay.
Because we must respect pada time frame.
Okay.
That's all. So another question. Another question before we end our class. Another question. Okay, for homework, I tell later. Tomorrow, I think. So, Jason homework A, right?
C.
B.
C. Storyline.
Okay.
Yeah, start this week.
Let's see. See, Eastern stage 3. Eastern prison, right? Oh, homework. Eastern prison, right?
Yes.
So Daniel homework A. Later I will give the example. Carlo?
I've been doing B.
B. Ezra C. I think C or B. Jesus B. Okay, that's all.
So I keep doing B.
All right. So that's all for today. Anything else or whatever question you can ask me directly. Okay.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.